Hi everyone, this is Mike Talks Cars podcast. Today, Tesla's German plant delivers the Audi A6 Avant e-tron and don't fret the price. In industry news, Tesla has delivered the first 30 Model Y vehicles from its plant in Germany. Tesla expanded their manufacturing to this market, the largest economy in Europe, to allow expansion throughout Europe. The move will provide additional production capability worldwide, of course, but should also help support the profitability of Tesla worldwide. Tesla does not participate in sales reporting, so registrations are used to determine sales numbers for the company. Through February, here in North America, Tesla has more new registrations than any other luxury manufacturer and has displaced BMW for that position. In new vehicle news, Audi has announced an expansion to its line of EVs. The Audi A6 Avant e-tron is a long-wheelbase wagon based on the new Premium Platform Electric, or PPE, platform. This platform has been developed in partnership with Porsche. One of the key underpinnings of this new electric platform will be a powerful 800-volt technology with 270 kilowatts of charging capability. This should yield a range of approximately 700 kilometers, that's about 435 miles. The dual-version motors should also deliver 0 to 62 mile-per-hour times of well under 4 seconds. The vehicle that Audi revealed at their annual media event is what they call a production-oriented concept vehicle, which means that we could see this model in showrooms in the next year or two. The A6 Avant e-tron is obviously a performance-oriented station wagon, for which there is a small but passionate fan base here in North America. Now for some musings with the trainer. I remember watching a sales consultant working a deal with a customer some years ago and saw something that I want to share with you today. This sales consultant, I will call him Ron because that's the name I usually use for all my sales consultant stories, was begging one of the other sales consultants for a calculator. Yes, this story was before cell phones. I watched to see what he was needing a calculator for and found a training opportunity for Ron that day. He grabbed the calculator and started punching in numbers. Then Ron started shaking his head, and all his energy just drained from his body. He looked up and said, "I can't live on that." Ron was worried about his commission, and he didn't even have the deal put together yet. What Ron was missing was that some commission is always better than no commission. Let me ask you, how do you think Ron did with the customer when he presented his numbers? Do you think he got the deal? Well, the correct answers are lousy and nope. Here's the training I provided Ron that day. Don't worry about the numbers. You have no control over the pricing numbers. What you have control over is the professionalism with which you treat your customer and look after them. If you do your job every single time, the numbers will look after themselves. If you can help bring a customer through the process so that they know you worked hard for them and truly care about having them as a client for life, you've accomplished more than 90% of the sales consultants out there. Oh, and you will have the bragging rights to taking home a healthy and well-earned paycheck. It really is all about perspective. This is Mike Little reminding you that, hey, selling is fun. Go have a great day.